What are you prepared to do? What are your people prepared to do? What's Downer prepared to do? We've stood in the gap. We challenged your leaders to stand in the gap. We challenged the people to stand in the gap. Are they still? And what is it going to take to ensure that we still stand in the gap? And this is not a one-off big bang approach. This is what we do. Where standing in the gap is not a chore, it's a way of life. But ultimately, the only way that can be is, what are you prepared to do? Because I know what I'm prepared to do. And I know what my wife is prepared to do, because that was the commitment we gave our son when we lowered him in his grave. So we know that commitment. But I hope you do.